Hello students, I hope you all are doing fine. Myself Bela an English educator from our Educatorz team. Today I have a very interesting news to share with you all. So please listen to me carefully. ध्यान से जरूर सुनना. तो मुझे ये बताना है आप सबको कि हमारा YouTube चैनल आप सब स्टूडेंट्स के लिए फ्री में लेक्चर्स प्रोवाइड करने वाला है. Yes, you have heard it absolutely very correct. We are going to soon provide all our students free lectures from our YouTube channel. The name is Educatorz. And yes, being an educator, an English educator, I myself would be conducting classes from the 9th to 12th standard students. And I'll make sure that our students will score good marks in our board exams. Now, let me tell you why English is important. Now, English is important because it is the widely used language around the globe. हम इंग्लिश में बोलना चाहते हैं, लिखना चाहते हैं, पढ़ना चाहते हैं, लेकिन हम समझ नहीं पाते कभी कभी, और इसके कारण हमारे में वो इनफ फियर होती है कि हम वर्ल्ड को फेस नहीं कर पाते. English is the only language which we really need good communication. It is required to perform our good interpretation skills. We need to have to enhance our skills and to build up the career. But क्या हो जाता है, हम वो इंग्लिश अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ पाते हैं, तो इसके कारण we finish our confidence. And we are here to boost up your confidence level. So being an English educator myself, I would like to boost up my students to build up a strong career in the English subject. Yes, so you have heard it very, very correct. And for this, all the details would be provided on the Telegram group. So you need to subscribe to our channel, and you also need to join the link given in the description below. In the Telegram group, you would be getting all the details regarding the English lectures, what all is required to study, the study materials, the syllabus, the contents, what are we going to provide, everything would be provided to you in the Telegram group. But yes, this is not the finish over here. For all the things, don't forget, we are going to provide you the free lectures. Yes, so जल्द से जल्द enroll करना आपके seats. Thank you.